Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a BTS Army membership. Now I did order this off of Mercari. I was a little late last year ordering this one, so this is the 2021 box. And the one that I opened before was a 2019, which was, I think, last year or a couple years ago. So, and then in a few days, I should be getting 2021 through 2022. So, it's going to be a lot. I'm trying to, so you can actually see me. Alright, so, I opened the box. Okay. I opened the box. This is what you see, which is another black box. So, and now I'm gonna open. Okay, there we go. What is this? Nothing. Okay, so we got the Army zip, and I love the members. We'll definitely go through that. And what I was sent. Now, I know these normally come with posters and stuff. I don't think she sent me the poster. And this came to me in a regular box. Okay. So I'm opening the box. This is what I'm seeing are a BTS magnet book with all the boys. And then, sorry, the glare, I'm so sorry. So this is basically a magnet bookmark. Cool. Alright. And the user guide, and it's Tay. So cute. Okay. So this is so cool. This is really the only reason why I wanted to order this, is because you have all 7 members and the little light that goes in it, which I don't think actually works. I could be wrong. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, it needs 3 AAA batteries, and I don't have them. So, 3 AAAs, and I do not have them. So, yeah. Other than that, that's what the little story. I'm trying to get the thing back on. Like, it sounds like it wants to go on, but it's not gonna go on. Oh! Okay, come on. No! Come on! Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. But it goes up here, and the light's supposed to shine on the boys. But that's what that looks like. I gotta find a place to put it. And then put that right there. And now the Army zip. Now, note these books are in Korean, which I like, but I don't like. Alright, so this is I'm trying to do it so I can see it too. No, I'm kidding. Alright, so Once Upon a Time. There we go. There we go, somewhat. The group photos are like amazing in here. Seriously. There's Namjoon. Okay. Jin. I think I'm just gonna show the members. I think it's just an easier situation. A lot of his pictures are amazing. Like, seriously. I love this one of Jin. I really do. Like, seriously. Okay. You have Yoongi. This theme is fairy tale. You have J-Hope. You have Jimin, which he's turned into one of my favorites. He was kind of one of the reasons why I stayed with BTS. Like, seriously. V, which he does amazing visual work, as you can tell. Trying to get the cooks. Jungkook. And then 3 oldest. Oh yay, there kind of is a poster. Yay. Okay. And then the other 4 members. Okay, wait. And I just seriously love all of their visuals. So, yeah. But, guys, this is it for China. Jimin gets to play with the dog. Just saying, Jimin gets to play with the dog. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Comment below if you did. Click the bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. Comment below. Subscribe if you already haven't. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.